So it's another beautiful day here in Harbour Island. Today we are going to be doing a tour day, doing lots of different activities on our boat with our clients. And today's tour day is sponsored by Robert Allen Law, Specialist Marine, OneWater Yacht Group, and Stilly.
One of the activities is going to be, we're going to head to Spanish Well and visit the swings, also the pigs nearby. We're going to have lunch at the Sandbar, a famous restaurant. And after that, we're going to head into the bay near Harbour Island to feed the turtles and play with the turtles for the rest of the day. We also have a special guest, one of our clients that just purchased a 56 Suenos HCB. Is going to be joining us. So check out this video and hope you enjoy it.